Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Insider. Today I'll show you how to craft a sloop and what is the benefit of the sloop. So first I'm showing you what in my inventory that I have collected all the plans that is required to craft a sloop. That requires 4 plans, right? So first thing first, I will check, I will share that what is the benefit of sorry, look, wait. I will share what is the benefit of crafting a sloop. Look, we are having skiff as a common thing, as a starter thing. So this has 5 action points, and there are four. Actually, there are 4 different kinds of ships you may craft or you may have. That is skiff, sloop, gallon, and frigate. In all the variant of ships you may see that action points are 5. So only the sloop is having action point 6 and the HP is 175, though frigate has 245 HP health card is 245. Gallon has 210 HP, but I am choosing sloop just because of 6 action points. If I am having one more action point, they that may bring some health card, so that may help in fighting with others battle. So right now, how to craft a sloop? I'll show you. First, I'll click on craft, and if you scroll down a bit, if you scroll down a bit, then well, this is pirate gallon, this is pirate sloop, dynasty. So I will click on pirate sloop. Okay, there are 4 items required. One is completed plan for sloop, that is 4 plans. One is iron sights, I have already got one. Another is cotton cell, I have got 3 cotton cell, that is required. And now the wooden helm, so I'll write wooden, yes, wooden helm. So I have to craft that. That requires one wooden column, 25 pine woods, and 250 pirate gold. So I will craft one, right? Success. Now, sorry, sloop. Yes, I am having these sort of sloop plans. You may see that 4 number of plan 4, 3 of plan 3, and 2 of plan 1, even after I craft this one. So in future, if I get any plan 2, I may craft another sloop, and I will try to increase the sloop's level. So I am crafting complete sloop plan. Okay, one complete sloop plan is there. Now pirate sloop. Oh, sorry, I have to craft another wooden helm. I have forgotten that. Yes, another wooden helm I have to craft, and I am having wooden column. I could have make it 2 at once, but as I forgotten, so I am crafting second one as well. So you can see 2 wooden helm and success is there. It's written success. Now I will craft the sloop. Yes, everything is available, so I'll craft one sloop. Let's wait for a while. Yes, I have crafted my first sloop. So yes, you can see that my sloop is ready for fight. So I have to go to deck and select my sloop. So earlier it was selected those pirate skiff, and now I have selected pirate sloop. So now I can fight with my sloop. I will try with battle 5 of 5, as I have fought 4 easy or normal battle already. Let's try out the 5th battle of normal gauntlet. Let's see if I can win with my sloop. Oh, nothing to do here. What can I do? Yes. Okay. Let's see. If I can win this battle, then I'll try to play a hard gauntlet. Okay, I'm having this card. Let's try. Oh, this is not available in this round. Maybe next round I'll get that card. Okay. Hopefully it will be super easy from now onwards. Right. Let's see if I can win this. Okay, I have to use this one so that I can finish this item first, then I'll try another. Oh, I'm having only 78 health. Oh no, nothing is there for me. Okay, I will have another. Yes, this one event card. I'll get this. So far, so good. Let's see. Another evasive card I got, so it helped me this time, because last time that creature didn't try to attack me, so that card got wasted, and now I will use this one. Yes, yes, this time it will be easier for me. Perfect. Now another 30. What I thought that it would be super easy, but it's not like that. Let's hit that, and yes, I own it. I have won all the 5 battles for now. Easy gauntlet, and now I'll try that hard gauntlet. Maybe next day I'll show how to fight hard gauntlet. As if I start playing hard gauntlet right now, the video will get longer. As I have shown you that whatever is required to craft that sloop, I have shown everything, and now I have shown how to fight with sloop. Thank you very much for watching.